Most students lose points on calculus exams not because they can't integrate, but because they forgot one single letter, plus c. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve for f of x when you are given a starting point, and we are going to find the exact value of f of 4. We are given the integral expression, f of x equals the integral of 4 over square root x plus 10x to the 4th power, dx. Before we integrate, we need to rewrite the square root. Remember, square root x is x to the power of 1 over 2, and since it's in the denominator, we bring it up to make the exponent negative. So our integral is f of x equals the integral of 4x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 10x to the 4th power, dx. Now we integrate using the power rule. For term 1, 4x to the power of negative 1 over 2 becomes 8 square root x. For the second term, 10x to the 4th power becomes 2x to the 5th power. So our general equation is f of x equals 8 square root of x plus 2x to the 5th power plus c. Okay, the problem tells us the graph passes through the point 1 and 20. That means when x equals 1, f of x must be equal to 20. So, f of x equals 8 square root of x plus 2. X to the 5th power plus c becomes 20 equals 8 times square root, 1 plus 2 times 1 to the 5th power plus c. Let's solve for c now, and we get c equals 10. So our new function is f of x equals 8 times square root of x plus 2, x to the 5th power plus 10. The final task is to find f of 4. Substitute 4 into our new equation. F of 4 equals 8 times square root of 4 plus 2 times 4 to the 5th power plus 10. So f of 4 will be equal to 2074. If this tutorial helped, hit the subscribe and like buttons for more tutorials.